Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do this like simple, kind of messy bun hairstyle on my short relaxed hair. A lot of people always ask me to do like videos on my like ponytails and bun stuff. I'll show you a bun tutorial because it's really simple to do. And quite a few people asked me to do a tutorial on my hair, so I thought I'll do it for you guys. It's super simple. I didn't really talk through it. It's more like a demo. I'm showing you how I do it. There's only one point where I talk to you because obviously I wanted to explain something to you. So it's really simple, and you only need a few products for this. And do not be deceived. If you have short hair, it does not matter. You can still get your hair into a bun. It's really simple. Just follow these steps and you will get a sleek hairstyle like this. Really hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That'd be amazing. And I will see you in a second. So I have this donut thing here that you can buy them if you want, but I made mine out of some tights because I ain't about buying one, so it's cheaper. And I'm just gonna apply that to my head to add some more volume. Like I felt like I should explain that because I don't feel like it's self-explanatory, but yeah.
Should've took it when you made